Conquering Mount Scrapmore with Brenda. I'm Brenda, and I'm here today with week 6 of the Chaos Sew Along. Now, this is the week where everybody gets to breathe and go, oh, yay, thank God. It's only cutting. It's only cutting, people. That's all you've got to do this week is cut. And then at the end of this video, you'll see how I put the square together. So week 7 will be how I sew the square together, because it's not necessarily really obvious. But if you are, once you see the block and you go, I know how to sew that together, just go for it. Just go for it. It's going to be great. But this is one of those quilt blocks that sometimes people get a little weird about. Now, I have also put the cutting instructions for all of this in our show notes. So the show notes are so important for you guys to get into, because they explain a whole bunch of stuff that I'm going to be talking about right now. So we have Zoom sew dates listed up from now until the end of May, because we're now filming this right after Christmas but before New Year's Eve. So we haven't heard what the summer camping situation is with the grandkids yet. So once we know what that is, then we can list out the rest of the dates for the end of the year. We have so much fun on that sew date. It is absolutely fabulous. And if you don't feel like sewing that day and you want to bring your crochet, please do. It's all good. Now, it's usually from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, because I'm living in Alberta, Canada. And we just have so much fun. I try and bring something simpler so I can talk to everybody as they come in, and it's been great. I speak for free to quilting groups and quilting guilds. That's my way of giving back to the quilting community. It has been so kind to me. So this is what I talk about. I talk about elements of design. I talk about making charity quilts. I talk about using your scraps. And it's all fun. I also come bearing gifts to the guild or group. So that's something that they need to book me for to find out what the gift is. But anyways, we do have a lot of fun with that. And I'm so inspired when I talk to those people. It is just amazing. The talent that we've got in our quilting community is absolutely fabulous. We have a Facebook group. If you're part of the Facebook community, please come join us. We're having so much fun in there with the virtual sew dates that are part of being held under the Discord app that we host. And we have fabric exchanges by country. We do all sorts of free pattern hunts. We do free recipes. We do what you're working on. We do denim quilts, all that kind of stuff. And we have, other than the normal, we show pictures and ask questions. Yes, we do all that as well. So we have so much fun. Also, our analytics are saying that over half of you are not subscribed to our channel. So that would help us out so much if you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified of the next video we drop, because we drop 3 times a week, and usually it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And that would help us out too, that you're there and you're subscribed and you hit that bell and you get notified and you watch the video. So it would help us give us the opportunity to give you more free patterns. Okay, so I think that's about it. That's all. So come on in a little closer here. I think what we're going to do is we're going to explain all the cutting. This 4.5-inch squares and 4.5 by 8.5 inch. Right, and the number that is in the show notes below, and then we'll show you what the block looks like, and then week 7 will be me sewing it together. Okay, come on in. Okay, we forgot to do the shout out. We forgot to do the shout out. I can't believe we forgot to do the shout out. Shelina at Quilt and Color. Go check her out and give her some words of encouragement. If you like what you see over there, please hit her subscribe button and tell her that Brenda from Conquering Mount Scrapmore sent you. I forgot the shout out. Oh my goodness. So now I'm going to give you a quick little peek at what's going to happen. Once you've done all your cutting of your 4.5 and your 4.5 by 8.5, both colors and low volumes, right? Now you're going to have to go in those show notes below to find out how many you cut. I believe I just cut enough so to make my 16 blocks. And yes, this is a lot of fun. A lot of fun we're going to get into here. So let me just do the reveal of what this block's going to look like. Now, I've got it on 2 boards, and this is what it's going to look like. So you see where those flying geese fit in, right? Like they fit in here along the outer edge, and then you've got your white, and your white kind of trails through. Now, the whiter the whites that you use, the more definition you're going to have, right? So this pointy bit will cause, you know, like, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. Don't worry about it. These are also, the white has to be touching the white, because there's the, what do they call these? This was like week 3 or something like that. It's like when a half square triangle marries a quarter square triangle and they have babies. This unit. So the white has to be touching the white when you're laying it out, and the half square triangle part is, you know, inside with the color, right? So you make all these sharp little peaks and whatnot, valleys, and so this is what the block looks like. I hope you're going to have some fun with it. Now, it's not necessarily the easiest block to sew together, and that's what I'm going to be showing you in week 7. But if you see this, you go, I know how to do that. Go for it. Just go for it. Put your blocks, put all 16 of your blocks together. It'll be lovely. Okay, so I think we're done. You guys have an absolutely fabulous week ahead, and I hope that life is treating you very gently and you're going to have just an absolutely lovely week. Okay, stay well until we see each other again. Okay, bye. Take care. Hello again. We just want to thank you for enjoying our video and, you know, coming along with my husband and my YouTube adventure and quilting. And, you know, sometimes things don't work out as best they should, and sometimes they work out great. We're going, wow, that went well. But it's been an amazing journey, and I'm so glad I could share it with you. Share, like, and subscribe these videos. That really helps us out, and it helps us make more charity quilts. Okay, so you guys take care until we have a chance to meet again. Okay, bye.